All right, we're back. We'll finish the rest of these. The recording's cut off at 15 minutes, and so if I can't finish up in 15 minutes, it cuts me off. But we're at number 10 here. It says if C is a real zero of a polynomial function and the multiplicity is 6 and even, does the graph cross or touch the x-axis without crossing? It just touches the x-axis without crossing. Okay? Suppose that f is a polynomial function and that a is less than b. If f of a and f of b have opposite signs, then what conclusion can be drawn from the intermediate value theorem? Okay? If they have opposite signs, then there exists a zero between A and B, okay, where our function at that zero is equal to 0. It basically crosses the x-axis is another way to say all that, okay? On this one, what's the leading term of something like this? The leading term can be found by just considering the negative 1/3 for that factor times the x to the 4th for that factor times the 3x squared for that factor. All right? So if we go to simplify that a little bit, it'll be negative 1/3 times x to the 4th times 9x squared, right? Yeah, because when we square that, we're going to square the 3 and the x. And so actually the leading term is a negative 3x to the 6th. True story? What would the end behavior be? Think about that. Even, 6, even, but negative, that's going to be down on the left and down on the right. That's the end behavior. That's why we look at the leading term.